Let's practice a few more problems on polynomials. We are asked to expand 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, so that looks like x minus y whole cube, that is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So this can be, in place of x we have 2a and in place of y we have 3b. So we get 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube. Okay, so that gives us, so 2 cube is 8, 8a cube, 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, so 27b cube, that is equal to 8a cube minus 27b cube minus, so this is the expanded form. X, we have x, and instead of y we have 2 by 3y. Okay, so using the formula and substituting, this will give us x cube, okay, minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Okay, so expanding this we get x cube plus, minus 2 cube is 8 cube, 3 cube is 27, so 8y cube divided by 27, 4 by 3, so 4 by 3 xy squared. So that is the expanded. So evaluate 998 cube. 998 is nothing but 1000 minus 2, right, whole cube. Okay, this again x minus y whole cube identity can be used, that is 1000 cube, right, minus 2 cube, so we get 994011992. Okay, this was using a calculator. So this looks like x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, because you can see that if we multiply 3xy by x you get 3x squared y, and 3xy by y squared you get 3xy squared. So all the terms are there. So instead of x we have 2a, right, instead of y we have minus b, right. So instead of x we have 2a, and instead of y we have minus b. Okay, so this, using this identity, we'll get this to be 2a minus b whole cube. Okay, so that is the factors of this equation, is equal to 3p whole cube. Okay, and 1 by 216 is, so if I take 216 and I start factorizing it, I'll get 2. So it is actually equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is actually 6 cube. Okay, so this is equal to, this can be written as 1 by 6 whole cube. Okay, here if you look at this equation and this equation, you have x cube, instead of x cube I have 3p, and instead of y I have 1 by 6. 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. Next problem is verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. So let's multiply. So we have x plus y, and we need to multiply it with x squared minus xy plus y squared, that is equal to, so if I multiply with x I'll get x cube minus x squared y. So if you add these, this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel, you will get x cube plus y cube. Factorize 64 n cube minus 343 n cube. Again 343, let's see what is the root of this. So it is actually 7 cube. 343 is 7 cube. Okay, so here we have 64 m cube minus 343 n cube, that is nothing but 64 is 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. Okay, that is equal to So previously we learned that x cube minus y cube, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x minus x squared into x minus y into y squared. Instead of y, if we put minus y, right, we can use this formula. So instead of x we have 4m, which is plus 49n squared. Okay, so this is how we factorized this. Okay, how to factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. This looks like this identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, so basically instead of x we have 3x, and instead of y and z we have the same. So this is nothing but 3x plus y plus z multiplied by 9x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus 9xy minus yz. Sorry, it's not 9x, it is 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. So if x plus y plus 0, show x cube, y cube, z cube is equal to 3xyz. That is readily available from this equation. So if I substitute x plus y plus z is equal to 0, the whole of your right hand side will become 0. So we can write it as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0 into dot dot dot, which is 0, right? Because x plus y plus z is 0 as given here. So this, you take 3xyz that side, you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, this holds true only if x plus y plus z equal to 0, plus 5 cube plus 7 cube. Okay, note that in this case x plus y plus z, which is equal to minus 12 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, so if this becomes 0, this x cube plus y cube plus z cube is just 3xyz, right? So this is 3 times minus 12 times 5 times 7. Okay, so we get minus 36 into 35, that is minus 1260. Hi friends, we are given area is equal to 25a squared minus 35a plus 12. This looks in the form of x plus l into x plus m, which is equal to x squared plus l plus m into x plus lm, right? Here in place of x we have 5a, because you can see that 5a whole squared is 25a squared, and l plus m times x we have equal to minus 35a by inspection. So L plus M is equal to minus 35a divided by x, which is 5a, which gives us minus 7. And also by inspection the LM product is equal to 12. So two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is 7, minus 7 is nothing but minus 3 and minus 4, right? So this can be factorized as x plus L and x plus M, right? Instead of x we have 5a, and instead of L we have minus 3. And instead of m we have minus 4, right? So 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. So since area is equal to length into breadth, we can consider 5a minus 3 as length and 5a minus 4 as the breadth. So last problem, we are given V, volume is equal to 3x squared minus 12x. So what is length, what is breadth, and what is height? Okay, so this volume can be factorized as, if I take out 3x common, I'll get x minus 4. Okay, and this can be multiplied by 1. So 3x can be taken as my length, x minus 4 can be taken as breadth, and 1 can be taken as height. We have thoroughly studied, digested, thought about and simplified the concepts for you. So please like, share and subscribe.